Chapter 9, Exercise 4, create a new file, select model template, enter the name c09exr4, store it in c09exr4 benchwise folder, say OK. Now select the assembly step, select add component, select open the vice body, select fix in the constraint type and model in the reference set, apply. Again, open the file, select vice job, select center, select 2 by 2 option, select this face of the vice job, and the other side of the vice job. You select this face of the vice body, this face of the vice body. Similarly, select distance, select this face of the vice job, this face of the body. Until the last constraint, enter the distance atm. Select touch align, select touch option, select this face of the voice jar and this face of the voice body. So apply. Now open the component, select the jaw screw, touch align in per center axis, select the space of the jaw screw and the space in the voice jar. Similarly, touch align, select touch option, select this space in the jaw screw. Now uncheck the preview, select this face in the voice jar. Select preview once again. Select the entire part. Select parallel option. Select the XY plane of jaw screw with the XY plane of lateral coordinate system. You say apply. Now open clamping plate. Select touch align, select input center axis, select this space in the clamping plane, in this space in the vice jaw. Similarly, once again select input center axis. Select this space in the clamping plate and this space in the voice jack. Select touch option. Select the bottom of clamping plate. To the bottom of voice jack. Apply. Now select the base plate. Select enter center axis. Select this space in the base plate and this space in the house body. Similarly, once again select enter center axis. Select this space in the base plate and this space in the house body. Now select edge. Select the rear side of the base plate and this space in the vice body. Apply. And now cancel from the add component. Now select mirror assembly. Select the base plate component. Select next. Select the plane. Select X is a plane of data coordinate system. Accept the default. Display constraints in graphics window uncheck. And right click on base plate, set to replace references to model. Similarly for clamping plate and for jaw screw. Now select add component. Open screw bar. Select enter center axis. Select this space in the screw bar and this space in the jaw screw. Select distance. Select the XY plane of the jaw screw. It will be the XY plane of the data coordinate system. The enter distance into say apply. Now select the door go. Select touch align. Select enter center axis. Select the dispose of the bar flow with the dispose in the toolbar. Select the touch option. Select the displays in the bar flow. And the displays in the toolbar. Say apply. Similarly, open the bar flow. Assemble in the other side. Select input center axis. Select the displays in the bar flow. The displays in the toolbar. Select touch. Select the displays in the bar flow. This place in the scroll bar. Say apply. Open oval filter. Select touch align input center axis. Select the displays in the oval filter. The displays in the vice jump. Similarly, select touch. Select displays in the oval filter and displays in the vice jump. So apply. Now select the set screw tool. Select input center axis. Select displays in the set screw tool and displays in the vice jump. Similarly, select touch. Select displays in the set screw tool and displays in the clamping plate. So apply. Similarly, open the set screw part once again. Select input center axis. Select displays. Displays. Select touch. Displays. Say apply. Now file open. Set screw one. Select input center axis. Select displays in the set screw. And displays in the scroll. Select touch. Select displays in the set screw. Displays in the straight. Select apply. Now select pattern component. Select linear pattern. Select the set screw one. Specify vector on x-axis. Count people, which is 70. Similarly, select use direction to select specific vector, select y-axis, go to 2, which distance or to 4. Okay. Now replace reference set to model for all the components. Orient into trimetric. Save the file. File close all parts. This completes chapter 9, exercise 4.